Welcome! Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to remove a scent sticker from your favorites on Instagram. If you've accidentally added a sticker to your favorites and want to clean up your collection, follow these simple steps. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your features seamlessly. Once you're in the app, look for the messages icon located at the top of the page. This icon usually looks like a paper airplane or a chat bubble, and tapping it will take you directly to your direct messages. Next, navigate to the chat that contains the sticker you want to remove. This is where you'll find all the stickers you've sent and received. Open that specific chat to see the conversation history. Now comes the key step. Click and hold on the scent sticker that you wish to remove from your favorites. Holding down on the sticker will bring up a menu with several options. Among these options, you will see one that says Remove as Favorite. Select this option to remove the sticker from your favorites list. And that's it. You've successfully removed the sticker from your favorites on Instagram. This process not only helps keep your favorites organized, but also ensures that you only have stickers that you truly love at your fingertips. Remember, managing your stickers can enhance your Instagram experience, making it more fun and personalized. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who might also want to tidy up their sticker collections. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Instagram.